Hello. Hello, I'm called Isaac Sechidu, and I am in my SM poultry farm, whereby I do lay broiler type. And this business of mine, I started it in 2019, but I always have a challenge of food, especially when maize is at the high cost. Whenever maize raise, I do stop because I don't have enough packaging. Therefore, I do pray that when I'm boosted with some money, I will be able to farm continuously every season. And also I will be able to expand my farm business and employ more 2 or 3 people. Therefore, I do pray that when I'm added some money, I'll be able to expand my farm and I continue with my business of broiler type. Thank you.
Cancel.